In this video, we will explain how to fix the issue when multiple inverters trigger a grid disconnection alarm. First, check whether the multiple inverters are on the same branch. Observe the EMA monitoring system to check if the AC disconnection occurred at the same time for all inverters. If the inverters are not on the same branch, or if they are on the same branch but disconnected at different times, check if the AC connections of the inverters are normal. Refer to the inverter off-grid video for detailed steps. If on the same branch and disconnected at the same time, check if the breaker was tripped at the combiner box and reset it after identifying the cause. If there is no tripping at the combiner box, locate the AC connector at the end of the branch and measure the voltage with a multimeter to verify if it is normal. Continue troubleshooting by measuring voltages step by step from the source to the end. If no abnormalities are found during the line inspection, try swapping the inverters on the non-working branch with those on a working branch. If the original non-working one still doesn't work after the swap, this indicates the inverter may be faulty. If the original non-working inverter starts working after the swap, then inspect the AC bus carefully.